Welcome to another journey through Croatia. Today, we're taking you to a hidden spiritual and historical gem, Krka Monastery, a serene sanctuary located in Krka National Park. This stunning monastery is not only a place of deep religious significance, but also a site of incredible natural beauty and history. Krka Monastery is one of the most important Serbian Orthodox monasteries in Croatia. It was founded in the 14th century by Princess Jelena, a member of the Nemanjić dynasty, and has remained a vital religious and cultural center ever since. The monastery features a Byzantine-style church dedicated to the Archangel Michael, with a striking bell tower that rises above the landscape. Inside, you'll find beautifully preserved iconostases, frescoes, and religious artifacts, some dating back centuries. Beneath the monastery, a network of ancient Roman catacombs adds an extra layer of mystery to this sacred place. Set in a breathtaking location along the Krka River, the monastery is surrounded by lush greenery, rolling hills, and the tranquil waters of the river. The peaceful atmosphere makes it a perfect spot for reflection and relaxation. The area is part of Krka National Park, known for its stunning waterfalls, diverse wildlife, and picturesque walking trails. You can reach the monastery by car, but for a more scenic experience, take a boat ride from Slap, one of Krka's famous waterfalls. The boat journey offers spectacular views of the river and its untouched natural surroundings. Whether you're interested in history, religion, or simply want to experience the tranquility of nature, Krka Monastery is a must-visit. Have you been to Krka National Park? Let us know in the comments. What do you think of this magical place? Thanks for watching, and see you at the next beautiful destination. Subscribe to know more about Croatia.